Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. I'm Dwayne, and that's Kevin behind the camera for a change. And today we're going to show you guys how to change your pin on your late model Harley Davidson. So it's different from bike to bike. I always refer to your owner's manual. The one we have is actually a little inaccurate. It tells you to start in the run position. We actually have to start in the off position, but we'll get to that in a minute. So what we're talking about today is changing the pin. So the reason you would need your pin is maybe you lost your key fob, that proximity fob that you have to have on your person when you're near the bike to start the bike and power it on. And so if you lose that or the battery dies and you're off somewhere and you can't turn the bike on, you can always resort to your security pin. And we did a whole video on how to enter your pin and identify your pin. We'll put that video in the corner above. But today we're going to tell you how to change your pin. You know, maybe your girlfriend's husband found out the pin to your bike and you want to change it. So that's what we're going to show you today. So it's a little tricky process. You're probably not going to remember it. So it always helps to, you know, everybody has a smartphone in their pocket. If you don't remember it, always just find us on YouTube, pull this video up and look up how to do it. So we'll start with obviously turning the ignition switch on. Boom. Your kill switch should be in the off position. And from here, you'll go on, off, on, off, on, left turn signal, right turn signal. And bam, there's Kevin's pin on this bike. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you want to change it, you hit the left turn signal, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you hit the right turn signal and move to the next. Right turn signal and move to the next. And I'm just going to change this to change Kevin's pin to 555, just really quick. So don't worry, we're not going to leave it at that. And it's that simple. From there, you just turn the ignition switch off, turn the power off, and that's it. The pin is changed. Now, if Kevin ever loses his fob, all he has to do is go through the prompts, access his pin, enter 5555. The bike will power on, and he can go about his day. So we hope this video was helpful to you. It's a little tech tip for you. I know a lot of people can't keep this information in their head, so we try to put it in a video. So if you ever need to revert back to it again, just find this video on YouTube and access your pin. Now, if you have any questions at all about anything you've seen in this video, shoot us an email to support@dkcustomproducts.com or give us a call, 662-252-8828. Y'all ride safe out there.